Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you a fall look using the Subculture palette. Sorry if it seems a bit light from this way. I have a mirror that lights up. Here are swatches of the shades that I used. I already have my brows on. I'm gonna go prime my eyes off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I primed my lids using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. I also used it to highlight here, 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 and underneath my eyes, and everywhere that I highlighted, I set with the Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Okay, so first I'm taking this e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm going in with the shade Roxy, and I'm going to put this in my crease. Okay, so next I'm going in with this Morphe M441 and I'm going in to the shade All Star. I'm going to further darken the crease. Taking the same shadow on the same brush, I'm going to take the shadow from the outer corner till about halfway to on my eyelid. I'm taking a little bit more of Roxy on the same brush and just helping to blend out that All-Star shade. I'm now going to go in with my Morphe M562, that looks like this, and I'm going into the shade Rowdy just to further darken up the crease and the outer V. To help blend that, I'm going to go in with All Star on the M441 and blend this out. Just going to go in with a little bit more Roxy to further blend this out. I'm going to take the shade Dawn on this small shadow brush from Vanity Planet and put that right underneath my brow bone. Using this e.l.f. 202 pencil brush, I'm going to take all of those shadows, going from lightest to darkest, except I'm not going to use Dawn, unless it gets too out of control. Between every shadow, I'm just going to take this clean Morphe brush that doesn't have a number, but it's just this very nice fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to blend out the edges between every shadow. Next, I'm just going in with All Star, and I'm going to take that halfway. And lastly, I'm going to take the tiniest amount of Rowdy on this brush and tap off as much as you can. And just connect upper to lower. Next, I'm going to take this medium concealer brush by Vanity Planet, and I'm going to go into the shade Adorn and put that all over my lid where there is no shadow. Actually, I'm going to take my finger. On this small smudge brush from e.l.f., I'm going to go in with the shade Cube and highlight my brow bone in my inner corner. I'm going to layer that with Le Peach by Jackie Aina and Artist Couture. This stuff is so blinding. I'm also going to go in with my Morphe E61 highlighting brush and put Le Peach everywhere that I highlight. I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara off camera, and I'll be back. Okay, so this is the eye look all complete. And for a lip, I'm going in with Jeffree Star Unicorn Blood. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye guys. Oh, don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. See you next Wednesday.